Hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome here, and we recently went camping, and anyways, when I went over a lot of real rough construction roads, some of this piping that I had recently repaired all broke loose. I think because the pipe is bouncing, it just kind of broke the seal and whatever. So anyways, I just went to the store and bought what I should have bought to begin with. Some shark bite connectors. So I got 2 elbows and a straight one, and we're going to see if that works better than using this glue. Here, I'll show you. Christie's Red Hot Blue Glue. I think it works good if you were in something that wasn't moving, you know, like a cabin or a house, but being this RV is bouncing, especially going over rough roads, hopefully this will be the better fix. So I'm gonna go ahead and get busy trying to install these, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. There you can see where the pipe broke apart there. Check this out. Oh, I can't reach it. Basically can just twist them and pull them right out. Alright, so I'm going to pull out these old ones here and get them started. So there's my old one. I need to clean up my ends. Mark 1 inch. That's all there is to it. Then they rotate. So I have to clean this other pipe up and get it ready, and then we'll install it all. Seems pretty solid. Well, and that's all there is to it. So now I just have to run it, push it up on the pipe, and then push it into the pipe, and we'll see if it works. Definitely solid. Alright, I couldn't film doing it because I could barely reach in there and do it, but there it is hooked up over there. So now I just got to connect it here. Okay, so I put a stopper on there just so we could use the water temporarily while we were out camping. Wow, this thing is really uneven. I need to square that up. Let me do that real quick. Alright there, I kind of just squared it up a little bit and cleaned it up. So now all we got to do it's hard to get my hands in here. There we go. Alright, there it is. So look, the pipe still rotates in between these joints. That's pretty cool. Okay. So now comes the big test. Let's turn on the water pressure and check out the see if there's any leaks. Alright, so okay, it's pressurizing up. Let's see a leak here if there was going to be one. I don't see any. That looks like it did the job. Alright, let's try the shower. And this is the one that was broke, the hot. Don't see any leaks. We got a shower. Still no leaks. These shark bites are awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to put all this back together. Well, I tell you, I sure do like those shark bite connectors.